If you're looking for the drone for photography and footage capturing, then this video is for you, through extensive research. We break down the best budget drone on the market for this year based on price, performance, and situations they'll be used in, so if you're interested in finding out which drone will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. And do let me know in the comments section which drone you like. The most, please hit the like button to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get started. Potensic ATOM 3-axis 4K GPS drone. Get ready to elevate your aerial photography game with the Potensic ATOM 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS drone, the ultimate tool for capturing breathtaking footage from above. Compact yet powerful, the Potensic ATOM boasts a sleek design and lightweight construction, making it the perfect companion for all your travel adventures. Equipped with a rock-steady 3-axis gimbal and a 4K camera capable of recording stunning videos, the Potensic ATOM delivers crisp and clear footage even in challenging conditions. With a range of up to 6 kilometers and GPS navigation, the Potensic ATOM ensures precise and stable flight, while features like return to home and auto return guarantee a safe and hassle-free flying experience. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the Potensic ATOM's advanced camera features, including visual tracking, quick shot modes, and customizable shooting settings. Experience the thrill of aerial photography like never before with the Potensic ATOM 3-axis Gimbal 4K GPS drone. Get yours today and unleash your creativity from above. Fimi X8 SE footage capturing drone. Introducing the Fimi X8 SE limited edition camera drone, the ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial footage with professional-grade quality. Equipped with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal and advanced control algorithms, the Fimi X8 SE ensures ultra-smooth and jello-free videos, even in challenging conditions like high-speed or strong winds. Experience the magic of HDR video and photo with the Fimi X8 SE. Preserve the original detail, light, and color tones of your scene or subject, taking your visual experience to a whole new level. Capture breathtaking 12-megapixel photos and 4K 30 frames per second 100 megabits per second videos with the 2.6-inch Sony CMOS sensor and 3x digital zoom camera. With a flight time of up to 35 minutes and obstacle sensing in 3 directions, the Fimi X8 SE ensures epic shots and enhanced safety for both beginners and professionals. Navigate with precision using the GPS, GLONASS, Beidou satellites positioning system, ensuring more accurate hovering and faster positioning. Plus, with the powerful visual tracking system, the drone can precisely lock onto targets for more dynamic flight planning and shooting. Unleash your creativity and capture breathtaking moments from the sky with the Fimi X8 SE limited edition camera drone. Get yours today and elevate your aerial photography game to new heights. Geprc Cinebot 30 HD O3 FPV drone. Introducing the Geprc Cinebot 30 HD O3 FPV drone system, a cutting-edge cinematic FPV drone designed by the Geprc team. Crafted with precision, it features high-strength 7075 aircraft-grade aluminum alloy for durability. The TPU shock-absorbing pad effectively isolates vibrations for smoother footage. Upgraded for versatility, the Cinebot 30 now supports full-sized GoPro cameras with its enhanced gimbal top plate. Its one-piece injection-molded propeller guard, made from high-toughness PC material, ensures durability and impact resistance. Plus, embedded cob light strips provide stunning visual effects. Equipped with powerful 1804 motors and HQ Prop T 76mm 3 propellers, the Cinebot 30 offers exceptional stability and ultra-low noise during flight. The GEP F72245AA IOV2 flight controller ensures top-notch performance and reliability, even in challenging conditions. Tuned by GPRC professionals, the Cinebot 30 excels in both indoor and outdoor environments, delivering breathtaking cinematic FPV footage. Whether you're capturing epic landscapes or dynamic action shots, the Cinebot 30 unlocks endless possibilities for your drone cinematography needs. Elevate your filmmaking with the Geprc Cinebot 30 HD O3 FPV drone system. DJI Mini 4 Pro Photography Drone. Are you ready to take your aerial videography to new heights? Introducing the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone, the perfect companion for capturing stunning footage on all your adventures. This compact yet powerful quadcopter weighs less than 249 grams, making it incredibly portable and hassle-free to bring along on your travels. Featuring a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, the DJI Mini 4 Pro delivers ultra-smooth and jello-free videos, even in high-speed or strong wind conditions. With its HDR video and photo capabilities, this drone preserves the original detail, light, and color tones of your scenes, taking your visual experience to a whole new level. Experience extended flight times of up to 35 minutes, allowing you to capture epic shots without interruption. Plus, with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, you can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone will detect and avoid obstacles in all directions. Immerse yourself in real-time aerial footage with the DJI Mini 4 Pro's 20 km full HD video transmission. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner, the drone's intuitive controls and active track technology make capturing smooth and cinematic videos effortless. Unleash your creativity and explore the world from a whole new perspective with the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. Elevate your videography game and capture breathtaking moments wherever your adventures take you. So, what are you waiting for? Take flight with the DJI Mini 4 Pro today. Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro Drone. Introducing the original Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro V2, a marvel of aerial photography and flight technology. With its Sony CMOS sensor, the EVO 2 Pro captures stunning low-light imagery and video in resolutions up to 6K, delivering exceptional detail and dynamic range. Equipped with an adjustable aperture range and a maximum ISO of 12,800, this drone empowers photographers to capture precision shots in any lighting condition. Thanks to its 10-bit camera, the EVO 2 Pro records up to 1 billion colors, preserving rich detail in both shadows and highlights for unmatched post-production flexibility. Safety meets innovation with the EVO 2 Pro's 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, comprising 19 groups of sensors that ensure smooth navigation through complex environments. Experience the freedom of extended flight time with up to 40 minutes of airtime on a single charge, backed by Autel's advanced battery technology for added reliability. From its unrivaled picture quality to its intelligent flight capabilities, the Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro V2 sets the standard for professional-grade aerial photography.